Hello and welcome to Master Jacko. This video is all about circumference of a circle. I'm going to show you how to use this formula, pi times by the diameter, or pi d. That's what we do to help remember it. So, circumference of a circle, similar to perimeter, is basically the outside edge of a circle. It's this red circle in each one. That's what a circumference is. So let's look at A first, how we do it. So, firstly, do we have a diameter? Here, yes we do. We are told the line going from one end of the circle to the other, past the middle, is 6 centimeters. So all we do is 6 times pi. And in terms of pi, because this can be on a non-calculator, you give your answer as 6 pi, and that is it. If you want it as a decimal, rounded to 2 decimal places, it will be 18.85 centimeters. That'll be the circumference. Next one. So question B. Nice and easy. We are given the diameter in this one is 20, so it'll just be 20 times by pi, and that equals 20 pi. And then to 2 decimal places. So to get the actual answer, 2 decimal places, on your calculator you just type in 20 times pi, and then you convert it to a decimal, and it'll give you, when you round it to 2 decimal places, 62.83. To get the decimals, that'll be on a calculator exam, okay? Because you won't be able to do that on a non-calculator, okay? Right, this time, so the diameter, you are given the radius now, and radius is higher than the diameter. So this time you've got to double it to get the diameter. So at the minute, you know the radius equals 5, so the diameter would equal 10, okay? And then you just go 10 multiplied by pi, which equals 10 pi, and then to 2 decimal place, the answer will be 31.42. There you have it. This video has all been about calculating the circumference of a circle, leaving it in terms of pi, and getting your actual answer as a decimal. I would highly recommend watching this video on calculating the area of a circle using the formula pi r squared. This is Master Jacko. Take care. I'll see you next time.